Whew, my recording crashed, sorry. So I have my data points here in Excel, and I was trying to say that you can go ahead and do the IQ on the quartile range, the 5-number summary like we did in this previous example, or you can highlight them and insert your box plot. So we're going to go to my charts, all charts, box and whisker, and hit OK. Now again, this is vertical, and you can stretch it if you want and put in a name of sodium levels, right? Consider that I don't know. Don't put example 2 in yours. But there's a couple things that we want to do here. We want to add or edit this. You can change the chart style here, or you can change the elements from the plus sign, or you can use the formulate data series. But I want to add stuff to this, so I want to add data labels so that it includes our 5-number summary for us. So it did it for us right here, and it even found the mean for us in this section right here. I didn't tell you this last time when we were making charts, but usually when we're making charts, we want to change the fill, and I like to do a good pattern fill here so that you can publish it and use it still, but it doesn't take up too much ink or anything. Okay. So now we can see, again, notice that ours is going vertically and the ones in the book are horizontally, but we can see that the quartile 2, or the median for this data, is 19.8. Quartile 1 is 11.25. Quartile 3 is 30.1. The minimum number is 5.7, and the largest number is 4.97. And then again, it found the median for us, 21.65. Now, from this information, we can tell the data skewed because the median and the mean are not lined up. The mean is a little bit to the left of the median is a little bit to the left of the mean. Now, you can also tell that it's a little skewed because 25% of the data is in here to here, and 25% of the data is from here to here. So we have more data going on the left, and it's tapering down on the right side over here. There's more of a gap between the data points. And that's probably because 49.7 is an outlier, and 5.7 is an outlier. But this outlier is higher, so it's kind of skewing our mean compared to the median of our box plot. I have both pictures here for you, so you can see what they look like both vertically and horizontally. You can see how they're spread out on the axis. Okay. Oh, that's it. It's a short little video. I just didn't have enough space in the other one. If you have any questions with this or need help, please reach out. You can also do this in your what's that thing called? Your TI Inspire. It does it really well and make you a little dot plot. Actually, I can pull that up if you want to stick around. Let's see, I think I have one on my computer in case you have a TI Inspire. Okay, so I pulled up my TI Inspire. The 84 is very similar. It's just not as menu-based as the Inspire. But anyways, you're going to go to your list and spreadsheets and make sure to label your variable up here at the top, and then type in your list. I'm trying to cheat here, hang on. 5.7, 9.1, 11.8, 4.5, 18.7, 20.9, 25.1, 29.8, 31.1, 49.7. Perfect. Okay. And you can do your descriptive statistics from here also. So you do menu, statistics, stat calculations, one variable statistics. Hit OK. Change this to whatever your variable was. And don't change anything else. If you have a frequency, you would change this, or a weighted average, you would change this to your whatever column your weight was, but we don't, so we just wanted to use it once. Okay, and then here is our one variable statistics, our descriptive statistics. You can find the mean this way. You can find the standard deviation this way. You can find the minimum, Q1, the Q2, Q3, and the max. So there's your 5-number range there, 5-number summary, and then your data is now saved in there. So if you go back to the home page and go now to, I think it's called, what is it called? Data in something. It's that one I just clicked on, the pink one. But you need to put your variable down here. So we used column X. It automatically makes a dot plot for you, but you can change the type of plot by hitting menu, plot type, and you can make a histogram this way. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful histogram. Or you can, I want to actually make a box plot. So you can make a box plot. And then if you hover over the information, it tells you your quartiles and the rest of your 5-number summary. So if you have a Inspire, you can do all of this as well without using Excel. There's a bunch of stuff that you can do in Inspire also. So if you have an Inspire and you need more videos on it, just reach out to me with a question. I can make you a video on how to do that.